Hey there! Building and running your own online store is a lot of fun, but it can get quite frustrating when you're dealing with shipping profiles and product pages or figuring out where to find more customers. I'm here to share a few tips that might just be the information you're looking for. Head over to your Shopify admin and then go to Settings. Then click on Shipping and Delivery and find the Custom Shipping Rates section. Create a new profile and use the search bar to add the products you want to be shipped using these shipping rates. Fill in all of the necessary information and click Save. For more information on how to set up custom shipping profiles on Shopify, check their Help Center page. I left a link to it in the description. Whether you want to add your own video or Printful's free footage to your products, we've got you covered. I'll start by sharing how you can add Printful's fit videos or production footage to your existing products. Head over to your Printful dashboard, click on Stores, and then choose your Shopify store. In the product view, click on the product that you'd like to add a video to and click Manage Videos. Choose a video you'd like to add to your product and you're all done. If you don't see the Manage Videos button, there are no videos available for this particular product. Now, what if you want to add your own videos to your products? Head over to your Shopify admin, go to Products, and pick the product you want to add your video to. Click Add and upload the video file. Or click Add Media from URL if you want to add a video from YouTube or Vimeo. The thing is, a lot of people are probably interested in buying your product once they see the pictures on social media. What's stopping some of them is that they have to leave the app to go to your website, search for the product, and purchase it. There are too many steps involved. This makes the buying process a lot longer and gives people time to rethink their decision. Thankfully, Shopify is one step ahead. You can connect your social media account right to your store. Now, people can buy products straight from your social media page without even leaving the app. Adding more sales channels means you're casting a wider net and capturing more customers. We've prepared video tutorials that'll help you connect TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Spotify to your store. Click on this video to open up a playlist with these tutorials. That's all for today. I hope you found these tips useful. Let me know if you have anything else you'd like to know about selling on Shopify. See you in the next video. Bye.